Today, I'm going to show you how to fix an external hard drive not showing up on your Mac. Now, if this video helps you out, then definitely comment down below and hit the subscribe button for more recovery videos just like this one. But if you're still stuck, then also leave a comment letting me know and we might be able to help you out in a pinch. So we're going to be using several different methods today that act as a sort of checklist that you should do in order anytime that your Mac won't recognize an external hard drive. And let's start by checking the connections on our Mac. Here's what to do. First, ensure that there is no physical damage to the connector cable, the connector pins, and the USB port itself. Also, ensure that you try different USB ports altogether as well. Next, verify that your drive gets enough power if it happens to have a power supply, and check if an indicator light turns on at all. Also, ensure that you connect your drive directly, not using a USB hub or adapter. Also, if it's your MacBook that's not detecting an external drive like mine, remove unneeded drives and devices to free up any power. Now also be sure you're using the correct cable as well. Some cables are meant for charging, while some are meant for data transfer. Test different cables to rule out any issues there. Okay, now that we've ruled out any issues with our physical connections, let's look at some other solutions, starting with your external drive not showing up in Finder. Now this can happen pretty easily. The drive may be recognized just fine, but it's being hidden from the sidebar. Here's how to fix it. Open a new Finder window, go to Finder, Settings, General Sidebar, and make sure external disks is checked to ensure that they're displayed in the sidebar. Now the next solution we're going to try is a built-in Mac repair tool within Disk Utility called First Aid. It's completely automated, totally safe to run on any drive, and you can use it by doing the following. Navigate to Disk Utility within the Applications folder, select your hard drive from the left-hand column, and hit First Aid in the top toolbar. This will run the operation, after which Disk Utility will inform you of any errors found and fixes that were applied. Okay, now after we've applied all of these fixes, if our external hard drive still won't read on our Mac, the only thing left to do is to try and retrieve the files from our external hard drive. And so long as our drive actually appears within Disk Utility, then we can do this using file recovery software called Disk Drill. So personally, I've used Disk Drill a lot to recover photos and videos from an external hard drive, to old PDFs and documents that I lost, even an old GoPro SD card that I didn't even know I had from like 10 years ago. And I have a lot of different drives, from Toshiba and Seagate to Lacey to Samsung. All of those fit the bill. Whether your files were deleted, formatted, or inaccessible, it's the best choice for this scenario. So to recover files from an external hard drive that's not showing up on a Mac, you can do the following. First, download and install Disk Drill onto your Mac. Just download it from the website and run the installer, which will install Disk Drill onto your desktop. Step 2, once it's installed, ensure your hard drive is connected to your Mac and open Disk Drill. Now, if you're working with a corrupted external hard drive, it would be best to create a backup using the byte-to-byte backup feature, then import that into Disk Drill for scanning instead of scanning the drive itself. This is the fastest way to conduct a scan in that case. But for most applications, all we have to do is select our hard drive from the list in the center and hit search for lost data. And once the scan is complete, you can review all the files that were found on your drive using this button in the top right. Here you can browse through all of your recovered files using icon view and recovery chances to gain insight into which files are intact and fully recoverable. Now, once you've found the files that you want to recover, place a check mark next to the ones you want, hit recover, and choose a save location with adequate space separate from the hard drive itself. Finally, hit next, and this will export all of your recovered files to your save location. But that's it. That is how to fix an external hard drive not showing up on your Mac, and hopefully, at least in the end, you got your files back. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you got something out of it. If you did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment letting me know what you want to see in the future. But until then, that's going to do it. I'll see you guys later with something new.